Welcome back, everybody. Derrick Sue, your East Oakland advocate. Well, for the longest time, I've been saying that satellite phones are the next big wave in communications. And I know that because when I worked at the DoD, that was one of the things that projects that we were working on. And so, anyway, today, or actually yesterday, Apple invested $1.5 billion dollars into global Globalstar satellites, and that's a satellite system that is currently working with uh, their emergency SOS system. That's the name of the proprietary app that is part of Apple. And so, in the event that you have no cellular service wherever you're at, as long as you can see the sky, that you should be able to, if you have Apple iPhone 14, uh, 15, or 16, these are enabled with that application to communicate through Globalstar to get you help, and also to text message folks that you're okay or your whereabouts and things. So it's interesting because Globalstar, it has a communication feature and is also a weather satellite system. So it uses a lot. Its use is really um, valuable, and so what's interesting, Apple investing $1.5 billion into Globalstar. Number one, that's going to put an additional seven satellites into orbit, and it's going to be put into orbit through SpaceX. And so that's really interesting. And of Globalstar's full data communication system, 85% is going to be allocated to Apple in the future. So that's pretty interesting. But here's some other interesting things. Other cellular systems also, like I said, um, satellite phone communication is the future, and it's coming really quick because we have T-Mobile. T-Mobile is now partnering with SpaceX, yeah, for the Starlink system, and so the Starlink system, it has been in use. We've heard about its use with the Ukrainian war, but anyway, uh, other cellular systems like Verizon, the system that I'm on, and also AT&T, have partnered contracts with another satellite company called AST Space Mobile. And so, folks, I've been telling you, satellite phones are the future. And while the ground cellular systems are still going to be around, they are not capable of doing the frequencies that satellites are capable of doing. And so they far exceed what land-based antennas are capable of doing. And even if you were in the middle of the ocean somewhere and you had a little bit of energy on your phone, you could actually summon help when there's no radio signal, so to speak, for a marine ban. There's no cellular service out there, so telephones, and so it's only satellites. And this is, like I said, part of the future. And if you're in the Grand Canyon and you lost cellular service, this could save you. And so that's what's on the future coming up. It's exciting to hear about Apple investing that kind of money. And today, Globalstar stock. If you look at Globalstar stock, it's it's going nuts. And so, but I wouldn't at this time look at buying it. If you bought it yesterday, right just before the announcement or at the announcement, you would have done very well today. But we'll see how that does moving into the future, because Globalstar still needs to build these satellites and then contract with SpaceX to put them into the proper orbit moving into the future. Thanks for joining me today. Communications are changing, and we're seeing it in real time. Thanks for joining me. We'll be right back.